Hey everybody, Sylvia here. Hi guys, and welcome to my PowrSuite 2.0 review. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm right inside of the members area of PowrSuite 2.0. Okay, in this review, I'll show you what you will find inside of this product. Okay, so we will run through the product, obviously, and we'll run through it. I'll give you a walkthrough, and then here's the sales page, so check out what they've got to say here. I'll show you what bonuses you will get just with the front end, and these are the vendors. I mean, Neil Napier is the vendor, Dragon is the affiliate manager who kindly gave me the review access. Very cool guys, I like them a lot. And here we have the whole funnel, so I'll show you what features you will find under each of the otos. Okay, so, and for those guys who are possibly interested in how to start an affiliate marketing business the way, for example, I do it, if you're interested how to lay a solid foundation to it, here are a bunch of free courses on affiliate marketing. Sorry, let me get some water. On affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. And like, totally amazing vendor, Tim Michaels, he really has helped me big time. And these courses in particular really kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey. And I am making commissions on a regular basis. So if that's something you're interested in, like as a side note, then check out the page, the link to this page under my review in the description box. Right, now next, back to the sales page. It's just late. Oh, I've had a long day. I'm kind of tired. You can probably hear it in my voice, but still showing up. That's what we've got to do, guys, if we are serious about making real money online. These are the courses, by the way. Anyhow, so on the sales page, they say this is like new 13, so 1 3-in-1 platform, which lets you kill off your monthly cost for Jasper, so the AI writer, right? 7D lead finder, Photoshop, ClickFunnels, Canva, and many more, really, all gone. So basically, these tools, it's a bunch of tools. So 13-in-1 platform. Okay, I'll show you precisely what tools you will find inside of the members area, but yeah, 13 in total, which will help you find leads, so find the traffic as well, right? So create AI-driven copy, create logos, build websites, all sorts of websites, social media content, ads, and more in one easy-to-use dashboard, which is, pretty cool because, yeah, you have this like business in a box sort of, it's all collected within one dashboard. It's pretty cool and very like futuristic looking, futuristic sort of looking, and very neat. And I love the dashboard. It's like, yeah, it's nicely organized. So they say it's AI-powered software, creates everything you need in seconds, fully hosted, so no website required, so it would be hosted on the domain. But I would trust these guys because Neil Napier is a good guy. Good guy, I don't know him, but a good vendor, good quality products. He's a software developer, so he's a professional software developer. He's been in this business for a couple of decades, I think. So they also say it's easy to use, so no coding or technical skills required, and free commercial license included. You will have two options in front end, the personal and the commercial license. Okay, so, and the difference is really like $2-3. So totally go for the commercial license if you're thinking of getting it, because then you can use it for your client's projects. So obviously this is a great product for any kind of like a marketer, a freelancer, or an agency, I would say. Okay, so the website, the sales page goes on to saying that it launched today, by the way, guys. I forgot to mention it's on the 11th of January, so it should be already live as I am recording this video. So they say there are some testimonials. So basically the way you go about using this product, you basically will pick a template and then customize it, okay, and then use and profit. Obviously, you know, traffic is really your concern. I mean, they will provide you with a couple of tools that will help you find leads. But then, you know, I would say it's more for like professional, serious, established marketers, probably freelancers, agencies who already have, you know, some kind of traffic available, and you know, they just want additional extra tools to help with the business. So these are the sorts of templates, okay, you would have, I mean, all kinds of templates. Here is the demo on the sales page. So guys, you will check out you will, if you want, check out the sales page by going to my description box. You'll find a link to check it out. By all means, you can buy it from me because I am promoting it. I don't promote stuff often, but I think this is quite cool and it's a good deal. You know, I'll show you what tools you will find there once we go to the members area. I just want to draw your attention to some important facts. So here is like you see, they say the personal one is 32 and the commercial one is 34. And it runs on credits, so that's important to know, okay? And then once you've run out of the credits, you will have to buy the upsell, which is unlimited. I'll have to show you the upsells. I'll show you the upsells later on, so you know, stick around for that. But the important thing is, like with the personal one, you get 200 credits. So definitely go for the commercial one because you will get 2,000 credits, okay? So a massive difference, okay? Plus you will get all of these fast action bonuses which will be delivered on the thank you page, okay? The links to these bonuses which come with the front end of the commercial license, okay? Here I believe the prices are wrong. They're different to the ones above. But yeah, back to the bonuses, they will be delivered to you automatically in the members area. I mean, on the thank you page, the links to these ones. I was chatting with Dragon, the affiliate manager of this product, and that's what he confirmed, okay, to me. I'll show you the bonuses as well. But now, frequently asked questions, because this is important, so you're aware of it, how this product works. So you see, why are these, the question is, what are these credits that you talk about? So it's 1 credit equals 1 logo, guys. So for 1 credit, you can, for example, create 1 logo, or 1 AI generation content, 1 lead, you can find 1 lead, yeah. So once you've run out of credits, you must upgrade to PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited, okay? I'll show you which one it is. So stick around for that. Are my credits renewed every month? No, credits do not renew. If you run out of credits, you can upgrade to Unlimited. So, you know, it's a good deal, but yeah, these credits are a bit of a downside, I think. Anyhow, this is the members area. So guys, yeah, you will have the products here, like one after the other one. So to access the products, you simply click on this button here, access products, and you see that's what you will find. So you will have page builders, okay, here. Some page builders, so done for you opt-in. So you will have, like, I'm not gonna, you know, click on every single product guys here and show you the members area of that product and like the templates you will have and how to customize them, because there's 13 products, okay? So it's really like a collection of, you know, a big collection of different tools. So yeah, it would be just take me an hour to go for every single product. Then you have one for social media, so done for your social apps. Alright, and then advertising. Now on the sales page they are much better explained what every individual product does, so do read about it. Okay, it is clearly explained on the sales page, so again the link will be to it will be in the description box, guys. Now next one will be for done for you simple ads. Now like later on, maybe already you are running some paid campaigns, so you will need some like, you know, highly engaging, captivating, well converting, you know, some pages or posts and stuff like that for your paid campaigns. Okay. And then a product to do with branding, so a logo creator, digital marketing, so as a so-called surprise product, done for your bonus pages, a link tracker, and that done for your offers page. And then to do with video marketing, you have this done for you thumbnail, so that can replace Canva. You don't necessarily need to replace Canva, you can stick with Canva still. I love Canva personally. Then you have this lead generation, so to do that will help you generate some leads. So done for you scraper and done for you map leads is to do with local businesses. This one, and then artificial intelligence, so it's the AI. Done for you AI writer, and unlimited plan is, let me see, done for you ads pro, so called done for you traffic bundle, like a bonus course. These are 6 video courses in this bundle. Okay, so 6 courses just under this traffic bundle that will show you some of the most effective ways and methods of generating traffic. So there you go. You're gonna have so much information and training on traffic, how to generate traffic, which is pretty cool. Okay. Alright, and then there's more. Done for you social bundle, bonus course. Done for you MMO bundle, so make money online bundle, bonus course. And done for you email bundle, so done for you motivation bundle. Okay, done for you affiliate bundle as well here. Okay, that's for the unlimited plan. So maybe, hold on. I believe that's part of the upgrade, yeah. Now let me actually show you first the bonuses which will be delivered to you inside of the, on the thank you page, the links to these ones. So the bonus number 1 is free done for you videos and reseller rights. So you're gonna get free commercial grade done for you videos that you can use for your business and for your clients. Each comes with complete resell and white label rights, so you can even rebrand it. Okay. Bonus number 2 is traffic generating resources. Okay, cool. And bonus number 3, instant video creator. Bonus number 4, instant audio creator. So you're getting these bonuses just with the front end, guys. Now here we have the funnel, so let me quickly show you. This is to do with the front end, so we've already gone through it. It's on the sales page. Now OTO number 1, guys, it's on all unlimited, and you actually pay yearly for it, so be aware of it. It would be $197 per year or $297 one time. Okay, so if you are to be serious about, you know, wanting to use all of the tools a lot, okay, then probably the $297 one-time payment would be the deal for you, because these credits will run out sooner or later. Okay, they are provided with the sales page. Okay, let me pop myself here so I can scroll it down. And OTO number 2 is PowrSuite Professional. Okay, so it's $47 one-time payment, so you'll get additional tools. So please pause the video, guys, and read what kind of tools you will get. Some, like, many more tools. And then auto number 3 is male VO. I think that's how you read it. That's okay. That's like called addition. 59 3-month deal, and I don't really know what you would pay later on. But this is your autoresponder. Basically, I would skip this one and just use autoresponders like Aweber or GetResponse. You totally you start like completely for free, and they're very, very good. I use GetResponse, Aweber. I'm very happy with them, so I will skip that one. And OTA number 4, so serve AI Unlimited, not sure how to read it, 197 per year, guys. So unlimited AI questions, unlimited surveys, unlimited responses, unlimited questions per survey, access to all new features, upgrade your brand, upgrade your brain, custom domain, you can add custom domain, okay, many features here, many features here. So I would say, guys, like after you've purchased the front end and you're interested in getting one or some of the upsells, just go through the sales pages. You know, they will present you with the upsells before you will be able to actually access the front end. Okay, so go through it. If you're interested, pick it up. If not, I mean, take it or leave it, I should say. So you decide whichever would be most suitable for your business needs. Alright, that's it. So that's the deal, guys. So a bunch of different tools that you'd probably need for your business. It's quite a good deal. Okay, quite a good deal. It's a launch price, so it launched today on the 11th of January. It's like an introductory, or how you say it, introductory, I think. I've forgotten. A cat got my tongue. But you know, it's just for the launch period. It's always lower. Then most of the time after the launch period is over, the prices tend to go up. Alright, guys, and remember, my free courses are totally free, so they're amazing. I am here to testify. So, because I've used them myself, very, very happy. Alright, guys, love you and leave you. I shall see you in my next video. Ciao for now and stay cool.